Stripe operates in two modes: test mode for development using fake data, and live mode, real transactions with actual money. Switching to live mode is simple and takes seconds. Steps to switch to live mode. Log in. Look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a toggle switch labeled test mode. It's usually blue or orange when active. Click the toggle switch. It will change from test mode O to live mode green. The entire dashboard instantly switches to live mode. All views, API keys, and data now reflect your real, live account. Confirm you're in live mode. The toggle should now say live mode and appear green. Your live API keys will now be visible under Developers, API keys. Important notes: test and live modes use completely separate data. Customers, payments, products, etc. created in test mode do not appear in live mode. Always double check you're in live mode before processing real payments or sharing live API keys.